Hi, everybody. Natasha Koch here with the Van City Home Team. Today, we have a very special guest. We have Jean Verdi with the UPS store number 325 in the Heights in Burnaby. Welcome, Jean.
Hi, Natasha. How are you?
I'm doing really good. So, it's funny because, your UPS store is number 325 because there's a lot of UPS stores, but there's a lot of really great things about your store that kind of makes you special in your own way. So maybe tell us a little bit about yourself and your background and a little bit about your store.
Well, my name is Jean Verdi. I'm a biochemist, actually, by trade. I worked at UBC and worked at Life Labs. My husband's a consulting engineer, so we're both professionals. We wanted to invest in something, so we decided to get into this UPS store business, retail business. We knew nothing about it. But obviously we had challenges as a result because it was being looked after by employees. But over time, we built amazing relationships with our neighborhood, Burnaby Heights. And that was my secret sauce of keeping us going because we thought of selling it many, many times. These relationships was a big reward for us, which made my husband and I to make this store a huge success in Burnaby Heights. It's been a hard work, but we are getting there, and I'm very happy with the progress so far.
And so, how long have you been operating for?
Oh, a long time, since May 2004, May 7th.
I'm in New West, and I came across you because of the phenomenal reviews that you've gotten from not only your clients, but the MLA of Burnaby, and just write-ups of your fantastic customer service.
I'm really, really honored, Natasha, but we put in a lot of effort into this as well.
Sure.
And fortunately, I have that innate ability to connect with people, and I'm very good at building relationships. That was working for me. Mm-hmm. I knew nothing about the business, but I knew the customer service, how to treat people. I'm a very people person. I think that contributed to the huge success of our store.
For sure, I can tell. That's with every business. And, UPS, when I think of UPS, I just think of shipping. And there's way more, to your business, other than shipping. And I know that you have a phenomenal guy working with you right now that is in design and printing. And so maybe tell us a little bit about him.
He's just started, actually, a couple of months ago. And he's got 5 years of printing experience, high-end printing. So I'm so honored to have him on board because printing is our weak section, which we're trying to promote. And you need somebody with that kind of experience to take it to the next level and produce quality work. And Stephen brings a huge skillful contribution to our team at the UPS store. And I can't wait to start working with Stephen.
I can't wait to meet Stephen. I want to
see Stephen. He's very personable, very talented. I'm just so lucky to have found him.
Well, we'll have to do a little tour of some of the things.
Of course, you have to come over. Thank you.
One of the things that I did read from your reviews was that you are very competitive with your pricing, that your turnaround time is amazing. And especially for myself as a realtor and all of the people out there that are now, getting the word out in their business changes with COVID-19 and everything happening, print is really coming back into style even more than it ever was before, right? So the fact that you're focusing on that now is going to be an amazing...
Well, the statistics say that the printing will always be there because there's nothing like having hard copy. Much as people say that everything's going online, virtual, but printing is here to stay for a little bit more time anyways. I personally prefer printing. Myself, but it's cheaper for people to go online. I understand their perspective as well, but printing will always be there. That's why I'm focusing on printing because there is so much potential.
Well, I'm looking forward to having my printing done with you. I sent out a lot of postcards.
Pleasantly surprised how well the job's going to be. I
am definitely looking forward to it. I wanted to let everybody know that don't just service the Burnaby area. Anybody, people are coming from all over because of your service quality.
You can do online, Natasha. They can send emails to us, USB sticks. We can process it, print it, and ship it back to them.
Okay, super.
Complete contactless with COVID-19.
especially with COVID-19. A lot of changes in the way that we do business, but even more so, you've kind of rolled with the punches, I'm sure, and made some changes that would work with our current situation, obviously.
Absolutely.
And one of them is, you'll see at the end of our little interview now, you'll see all the contact information to get in touch with Jean. You can send all your printing ideas to her and Stephen so that they can start working on it for you.
Absolutely. We look forward to seeing everybody.
Yeah, thanks so much, Jean, for coming today, and we'll see you at your store.
Thank you so much, Natasha.